Hi, I'm Lisa,
And I'm Kent, and we're living light RV.
and we are grabbing life by the tail, especially today.
Especially today, man, we have some news.
We do have some news.
It's incredible. First of all, just in the last few days, probably in the last week, our nomadic income opportunity is now solid.
Yeah.
So we could live on the road and live full time in an RV.
Yeah, that's awesome that got settled. And we are no longer searching for an RV because we found our new home. I'm so excited.
Just today.
Yes. So that motorhome that we showed you last week is the one that we are going to be living in. So
Full time.
That's going to be home. It needs a name. It needs a renovation, a facelift. It needs probably new
what?
things. What kind of things does it need?
Oh, a few new things. It also comes with a lot of good things too.
It does. Yes.
So
We're super blessed. We have had a long struggle trying to find the right rig as well as the financing for the rig and nailing down, like Kent just mentioned, the mobile income just to get all those ducks in a row so that they'll fit. And they came together today, and oh man, literally we just like cried all afternoon because we're just so blessed and so excited that things are working out and we can go ahead and follow those dreams and pursue that lifestyle that we've been looking for.
So here's how crazy our life is right now. Our youngest daughter is getting married in how many days?
8 days.
8. Lisa and I on Sunday celebrated 29 years of marriage.
That's right. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. We also just secured our home. And we also secured our, as we said, our nomadic income. And we have a lot of other details to still fall into place, but we've spent a lot of time over the last year downsizing, getting our address and all of those other things, the details taken care of. So we're pretty confident that by September,
End of September,
20 something, we're going to be somewhere else.
but between now and then there's a wedding to plan.
And do.
A wedding to do.
A wedding to do.
An RV to renovate. Well, an RV to pick up too, because we have to sign, seal, and deliver the deal. So that hasn't been finished yet. So there's a lot to accomplish in the next few weeks. So stay tuned. It's going to be insane. Sorry, this week's video isn't really very long, but we just wanted to keep you guys in the loop with what's going on, keep you posted, and thanks for all your prayers and your happy thoughts and your wishes for us. We do appreciate that, and thanks for being part of our community. If you want to see those RV renovations, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Give us a like if you want to give us that support, because we really need it, and we will catch you guys later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back